The work on the track is proceeding. I have made this, the grass, this, and now I have to do this. Hello, I'm working on a track. My track, carpet track. I'm trying to do it nicer, adding some colors, and this is a new piece of the track. It's a nice rainy day and I'm fighting against wind. I don't want to glue it down because if I have to change it or anyhow it will be a damage for the floor. But okay, staying here in a windy and rainy day, I think that I can see where is the weak point and repair it. Comment, like and subscribe and welcome. This is ready to be sprayed in white. This is the result of spraying. It's not absolutely white, but this is what I can do. Now this is very easy, just this part in white. Today's work is finished. Now I want to rest, to have a drink, water, not alcohol, and to relax myself. I'm pretty satisfied of this. Yes. Now I have to paint this line that is horrible, by the other side is painted. And this will be the next work because all this island inside will be painted, and also this outside and the other one. And slowly the work is going to be finished. This is all made, this not. But this I have to decide what to do, because I would like to have something green here. It will add more appeal. Okay, now hoping not to find the truck all wrapped up. Next morning, for today, I think it's enough. Rainy day! What a wonderful day to do what I want to do. And we have the good news, two good news. First one, it's raining very hard since 2 days, and here is perfectly dry, no water, and this is great because I want to leave the track down for some months. Maybe during winter I will roll it up, but I don't know. Second, indeed there are three good news. Second, no rain inside. Everything is perfect. Okay. Third, and very important, the track is unstable due to the wind. And this is what I found one morning when I returned back. Despite the things I put on, the wind goes under the carpet lift it and roll back. So I had a great idea. Instead of putting things to try to keep the carpet down, I use this. This is a tape, tissue tape, similar to Gorilla tape, and I will make a strip all long here and on that curve. This is green. It's not the same green, but it's green. So I will leave a part of the white strip, and on between the carpet and the floor I will put this. Nice and hopefully a definitive wall. And here it is, the green, like the curve is almost ended with protections. Yes, I have to improve protections. Done! I have finished the tape, so this is what I can do. Now I want to continue with the green one up to the pillar. Then I have to redesign the white stripe that I want to go here about, and this green. Now I'm starting to paint the white line here. That was the worst one, and so the central part is all painted. What I have still to do are these curves, straights, that one, this is very important. Here I have made a trial to see how the green goes, matches with the light green of the tape. And yes, it's coming out molto lentamente. That means very slowly. Done! And now I want to do this. It's a quite long work, but at the end gives you a lot of satisfaction. Yes, I know that in the life these are the real important things. Yes, the paint work is finished. I like almost finished. Here I want to write something. Okay, now some finishing and make some rolls. Et les voilà! Le travail s'est terminé. Nous avons notre circuit. The work is finished, my friend. Look at this sausage along the pillars and the fly down. And we have also a starting grid. 6 cars. I think that they are more than enough. I am very, very satisfied. Yes. And now the only thing is that I don't like too much this salami around the pillars. Neoprene strip like this height and this thick U. 1, 2, 3, 4 could be nicer, and these with the wind roll away. But this is all, my friend. I am very, very happy. And now we have to have the first trial with a special car. Do you remember this? This is my special NSU Prince. There are videos about this because it has an engine from front to rear wheel drive. We have a pilot, lights, lot of stuff, lot of things that I have made and I shared with you in my videos. So now we can see how does this works on the truck. I'm very happy. The only thing is that by now I have no friends to fight on this track. I have to think what to do. My sons are quite good in driving cars. Oops, lights on. And now they are thinking to build their life, so they are here not so often. But I can invite somebody, I can do something. Sharing this with you is very nice, it's very good. So, thank you very much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next with new ideas, with new adventures, and who knows? Cloudy weather. Perhaps today will rain. Bye.